All right, good morning, folks. This is Dr. Dalmeda again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be walking you through Lab 13 from Red Hat Academy, counting for CIS 137, Introduction to Linux Operating System. All right, so let me walk you through the complete Lab 13. It's all about how to install software on the Linux platform. So as usual, I'm going to be open two screens, right? One for the lab instruction and then one for the CRS. So here I already start the machine and I log in as a student, right? In workstation. So what I need to do, I need to start the lab, right? So let's go ahead and issue the command lab software view start. All right, so we are in there, right? Now we need to be in server B, SSH student, server B. So we are in server B, right? We want to be there as a sudo, right? Sudo I Red Hat. Okay, so we are in server B. Now we want to create a file called yum.repos.d. So to create a file and write into that file, we need to use the vim command, right? So vim space, we write the file name etc. So here's the file, right? Okay. So write that file in there. Yum dot repos e/, data, and then dot repo. Right. So as soon as we do that, we'll open the file, right? And then we need to write into that file, right? So let's go ahead and write into that file. In order to write into that file, we need to click on I on the on the keyboard, right? So I, as you can see, insert. That means we can now type in there. So first line erita, right? Second line is going to be name equal Red Hat. So R, uppercase R, space, uppercase H, hat, update, update. Right. So next line is going to be user file for HTTP. Okay, content dot example. Right. RHEL 8.0 slash x86, right? And that's called CC4, right? Slash RH CSA, the CSA practice director, right? And the next line is going to be enabled. So we want to be enabled. So GPD check. We don't want a GPD check, so we set up equal to 0. So GPG check equal to 0, right? So let's make sure everything is spelled correctly. Content dot example. Okay, practice erita. And then we click escape and then shift semicolon WQ enter. So that saves the file, right? So it's done. Now on task number 2, we want to show the list of the XN. So yum list XN DIMP. Okay, we have this list over here. And then from that list, we want to install, okay, XN GIMP. Okay, so yum install, okay, XN DIMP. All right, yes. So while installing, I'm going down the list in the lab. Next, we want to see the module list and then install the missing module. So yum module list. All right. So now we want to install the HTTPD. Okay. So yum module install HTTPD column 2.4 slash common. All right. Yes. And while it's installing, let me go down the list. So I need to see the list of cups. Okay, so yum list shows me the list of cups. Okay, now I want to remove. So yum remove cups dot x86 underscore 64. I want to remove that cups. Yes, do that. And then I will exit and come back as a student. Okay, same server. Now I'm going to do RPM space Q space P RHCSA dash script dash 1.0.0 dash 1 dot notch right dot RPM space I right. Boom. Okay, the package changes. And then now what do I want to do? I want to local install. Okay, so let me, but before you can do that, remember you have to be sudo, right? Sudo, and then yum, local install, and remove unnecessary arguments. Okay, so install, so sudo yum local install that package right there, and then I'm gonna remove the I because I don't need that. And then of course it will ask you for password, which is student, right? Yes, let's do that. Great. Okay. So let me make sure I've installed the HTTPD. Yeah, I did that. Good, good. All right, so this is what I am. Student, did all that. So now RPM Q RHCSA script. All right, so we've been verified that. Exit, exit. And then let's grade the lab. So lab software review, lab software review grade. Right, we passed this lab, and as usual, you have to take a snipping tool of that and then attach it to the assignment, and you're done. All right, if you have any question, as usual, shoot me an email or come to my student hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. East Campus, room 01143. Bye bye now. Have a good day.